discipline. Yeah, I think last week I said that the discipline was really good. We only gave away 6 penalties, no yellow cards, and I think we're just continuing to work on that. I think for us, we just have to keep making sure that we continue to play our game, and our unforced errors, we had a few early on. We didn't find touch, overthrew a line out. You know, they're little things like that that we just need to sharpen up on, and I think when we start to talk about those little things like that are costing us, that means we're in a good place. Because the first couple of years as we were building, there were lots of things we had to get right. And I think back to where we were like 2 seasons ago, it was our first year, and now we're in our 3rd year, and we're starting to talk about little things in the game, which is a really good place for us to be. We just got to learn and learn quickly. Yeah, I think the second try, the one they scored over on the far side, the left-hand side, was a good team try. You know, we carried that in well. We hit in 3 or 4 rucks. We carried well. We recycled the ball back. We got across the gain line, and then we threw it out. And Taniela does what Taniela does, and runs around or through people with his speed. So I think that was a really good team try, and he finished it off really well.
Coach, you named 6 forwards in the reserve bench.
Yep.
2 bench. What was your play or the game plan that you had initiated in work to this game?
Well, I think we knew it was going to be a physical game up front, and we probably needed to make sure that we had some fresh legs there. We had Eto coming back from an injury. Isawa's come back from a long-term injury, and so we just weren't sure whether they'd be able to be at their best in the last 15 minutes of the game. We knew it was going to be a physical game up front, and we just wanted to get an extra forward there to cover for that. And I think we saw when Elliot came on, as that 6th forward, he injected some real energy into the game and got across the gain line and really got us going forward. So I think that was the main thing.
Meli, how would you rate that match?
I can say it was a physical match. We knew it would be a physical, that's what we prepared for the whole of this week, and the specific area that the coach want us to work on, knowing coming out from last week game with lots of penalty, but we managed to decrease it on today, but we'll try to be better every week that we play.
Mick, you haven't won any away games so far, so what is the challenge will be?
Yeah, well, I think it's a big challenge for us. We're going in against the Brumbies in Canberra. We know they have been for a long time Australia's best side. I thought we did well last year. We crossed their line with about 8 minutes to go, which would have put us in front. So, we're going to go there with a real understanding that we've got to be physical with them on their home ground. We had three home games and 3 away games to finish the season, and our target is to win all our home games and pick up a couple of games on the road. So, I think the first chance we get to do that is next week in Canberra, and we're looking forward to that. Canberra's always a tough place to visit. I think it was 1 degree there this morning, so our boys will get used to that. We certainly won't be complaining to anyone about how cold it is. We'll just get on and play the game.